Welcome to Study Loop.
For this question, we are looking at different factors of embryonic development that are very similar between most types of organism. So here, this could consist of several different parts. It could be, say, how the fetus develops, where the fetus will often contain some sort of tail-like structure. They have that characteristic kind of kidney bean shape to them, and you also have that presence of the egg sac and the egg yolk. So even in humans, you're going to have the presence of the egg yolk inside of where the fetus is being held until it develops and matures out of that yolk phase. So here, when we talk about those conserved features of embryonic development, we're talking about these similar structures that are conserved pretty much in all organisms. So the reason that these are pretty well conserved is because if we eliminate a certain feature of this, it's going to place extreme stress on the fetus itself, and it's going to prevent it from maturing and developing into the proper baby when it is born. So here, the fetus has some sort of fragility to it, but it's not going to be overly fragile, that it's not going to be able to survive the slight changes involved with it, such as the loss of the egg yolk, which you would see in humans during later stages. So here, it's not so much about the stress, but rather about the magnification of those complications. Say an organism were to lose a significant part of this process, such as it's not going to develop its notochord, which is responsible for giving that shape and structure and basic development to the fetus. When it develops into adulthood, it's going to have severe results on, say, the spinal and nervous structures of the adult. So here, it's more the magnification of complications inside of the embryonic development that's going to cause the reason where organisms that have these mutations affecting this process are not going to be able to survive and reproduce. So here, the best answer choice is going to be D, that the reason embryonic development is very similar between many different organisms is due to the magnification of the mutations that affect the organism inside of this embryonic stage.